Hello, hi, once again welcome back. This is Surya here. So if you are coming here for the first time, hey guys, this is Surya and you are watching our channel moonglade.live. So please just subscribe and support me. So today's video is all about a brand, Indus Valley. നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും Indus Valley എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ബ്രാൻഡിൻ്റെ റിവ്യൂ ആയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ അവരുടെ രണ്ട് പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ്. So they have sent me two products. One is their aloe vera gel. This is a huge tub. And another thing is the DIY kit. ഇതൊരു DIY kit ആണ്, hair regrowth. This is a like DIY kit for hair regrowth. So without any further ado and not wasting much time, let's start. So basically we'll start with this big temp. I have not opened this. I wanted to try this in front of you guys. So നിങ്ങളിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് തന്നെ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യണമെന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. So I'm opening this. So this is like a very huge tub. നല്ലൊരു വളരെ വലിയ ടബാണ്. And this cost around $450 and it stays for around 3 years. So this is 100% aloe vera gel, pure aloe vera gel. This has green tea extract in it. Idile green tea extract goodi undu and can be used for your skin and your hair. And so basically talking about Indus Valley, like their brand is much focused into basic products like hibiscus powder, neem powder, henna powder, like which all we need for the basic hair care, skin care, like sandalwood powder and all. So they are not much into creams. They do have creams and lotions etc, but they are like much into all these all these products which we use at home for our skincare, hair care, like DIY products, and everything is very much natural. They don't use chemicals and all, so it's like totally very natural. So ഒരുപാട് natural ആയിട്ടുള്ള products വേണമെങ്കിൽ you can choose. So like Indus Valley is totally into bio-organic products. So this is their aloe vera gel. We'll open it. And this has a sealing. Okay, I forgot to mention this is 400 ml of product. Okay, and yeah, wow, what does this smell? I remember this is a green tea extract smell. I guess this really has very natural, very organic smell. Wow, I really started loving the product. So this is the normal texture. You know how aloe vera gel is, right? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാലോ aloe vera gel എങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുള്ളത്. So this is how it is. You can use it on your skin as a moisturizer. You can use it for DIYs. Whatever you do, aloe vera is such a good product for your skin. So the smell though, yeah, it's really nice. So that's it guys, this is about the aloe vera. So we are moving into the main product, which is a hit product, which product I loved the most. എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട product ആണ്. So we are moving into that. So this is their this is their hair regrowth pack, which is like a combo DIY kit. ഇതിൽ ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതിൽ കുറച്ച് വേറെ പ്രൊഡക്ട്സുകളുണ്ട്, 3 പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ് വേറെ ഉണ്ട്. സോ വാട്ട് യു ഹാവ് ടു ഡു ഈസ് ദാറ്റ്, നമ്മളിത് ഇവർ പറയുന്ന പോലെ ലൈക്ക് they have mentioned all the steps and all. So we have to mix it and use it on your hair for that luxurious hair growth or luxurious spa at home DIY spa at home for that hair growth. Okay, so I love the packaging. It's very simple, very simple, and and any person can understand how to do and all, because they have a booklet which contains all the recipes of their DIY. Like ivarku orupaadu DIYs and they have a lot of DIY kits around I think around 15 are mentioned in this. So in that one is this hair regrowth kit. So basically see, this is how the see, it's clearly written what to do. And while opening this product, we have a spa cream for our hair, and this is the essential oil, and this is rosemary essential oil, and this is almond oil. So all these three needs to be mixed in a proportion which I will show it to you when I show the application. ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാം, ഞാൻ application കാണിച്ചു തരുമ്പോൾ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. And so basically you need to mix this, apply it in your hair and leave it for around 15 to 20 minutes as per your wish, and wash it off. That is what they are saying. So like if you have a very long hair, I think you can only use this for one time. If you have hair till your shoulders, you can use this for around 2 times. If you have very short hairs, I think 3 times. So it's basically a very small DIY kit, and this cost you around let me see, it costs around 297 rupees, which is totally fine. So without wasting much time talking, let's see how to use this product. So let's start. So hello from the bare no makeup face, and in my casual home dress, and so we are going to start applying the hair spa kit. So first you need to detangle your hair using a wide comb tooth so that you can apply the spa kit or that cream properly into your roots and hair. So make sure your hair is detangled. And we are all currently living in a situation where we all love to try the DIYs at home, like basin, etc. and all. So I just love this when I saw this, because we are having like we can mix it. So yes, I did open the pack. I'm doing this for the first time. I took a glass bowl. So this is the spa kit, and this cream is very much similar to the spa cream which we use from L'Oreal and all. It's very creamy kind of cream. So this is the packing, and it's a very basic simple packing, and it smells great, really smells great. Okay, and I just wanted to mention that we do hair spas at beauty parlors for around 1500 and all, right? So for my hair I used to spend around 1500, and this cost only 300, and you get the same effect. Isn't that great? Plus this is not a chemical product too. And yes, I have taken 2 spoons of that spa into that glass bowl, and now I'm checking the recipe because I forgot. So in that is clearly mentioned to that 2 spoons of hair spa we need to add 2 spoons of almond oil. So yes, I'm adding the almond oil, and I think 8 to 10 drops of rosemary. Guys, you need to use some essential oil for your hair. Okay, it really does magic. Depending on your hair condition, hair situation, you can use a essential oil. It is like very much relaxing. You know, the fragrance of essential oil is very soothing for your hair. It really does magic for your hairs. I really love rosemary and all. I personally use peppermint and all, peppermint, lavender oil and all. And you need to use essential oil with a carrier oil, which can be olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, anything. So yes, I've added the rosemary for around 8 to 10 drops, and now I'm going with the almond oil. See, I'm opening the package for the first time. Everything is sealed, and almond oil, I think we have to add 2 full spoons of almond oil to the bowl and we need to mix this. So after adding the oil, mix it well, mix that oil, spa and that essential oil is fully mixed together as a cream. And now we'll start applying. I'm not parting my hair because I find it very difficult. I just apply massaging directly into my hair, so you can apply by parting your hair the way you love, but I'm just like massaging this into my hair. See that this is how I'm going to apply, but I'll make sure I get it into all my root areas. And after massaging this, after applying this into your hair, massage your hair for around 2 to 3 minutes. That's enough, and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. That is what it is written in the book, but you can leave it for half an hour, doesn't matter. It is up to how much you want your hair to be nourished and all. And they haven't mentioned how to wash, they have just mentioned to wash using plain water. What I did is I did wash it with a shampoo because my hair is a bit oily, my scalp is oily, so I don't want the oil residue to be there because it makes my hair very greasy. So I did wash it with shampoo, and that's it guys. I hope you like this. So we'll see the final result. So that's it guys, as you have seen, this is how my hair looks. I did wash with a shampoo because my scalp is a bit oily, so I thought of washing it with a shampoo, or else almond oil residue will be there and it will make my hair more oily. So I did wash it with a shampoo, and that is it's been 2 days since I tried this pack, and to be very honest, it did make my hair very smooth because there was a spa product, so it did make my hair very smooth, very silky, and you can see there is a bit of shine too to my hair. I did see a good result when I used it, and I really loved this. And to add, I love the essential oil fragrance, and rosemary was there here because I used to use when I'm feeling very stressed out, when I'm feeling very tired. I used to like add it in my hair oil and massage it, so you feel very relaxed. I also use a peppermint oil, lavender oil and all, so I really loved this pack. So dear guys, do just give it a try. Even the cost wise, even the usage wise, everything is totally fine. And also to add, this is 100% organic. There is no unwanted chemicals added which will affect your hair, and all the products which are mentioned or which are used in this are really helping for that hair growth, just like almond. For me, this was really good. I really like the products. I really want to use it, but as my hair is a little bit long, I think this will only go for 2 times maximum for me, and the rest can be used for other, like whatever almond oil can be used for other procedures and all. Just you can use it for your hair as it is. So that's it guys, hope you like the video. Let me know everything what all you felt about the video, and go give it a try. All the details will be mentioned in the description for your information. And yeah, that's it. So we are winding up, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This was very cool, realistic, very casual kind of video. I didn't want to make it as a like I'm doing an advertisement and all. This was not an advertisement, though Indus Valley had sent me the products. I genuinely loved these products. We are in a situation where we need to go into skincare, hair care products which are good for our skin, hair, not just for that particular time. Also we need to think about the long run, where they are considering that, like, they're using all this organic natural products, which I love. Currently, personally, I am into this, like, no chemicals, dude. I don't want those, no. So likewise, this is really good. So that's it. Bye, my lovely ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back with another video.